Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Here is our huge, I didn't even let me finish. Hey y'all, it's Emma here from Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're gonna take a look at this 2026 Grand Design Transcend 265BHT. Before we get started, we know that you guys want to buy a camper from somebody that you trust. You can go anywhere and get this camper, but we want to encourage you guys to come see us at Cookeville RV Marine because we are family owned and operated, so you're not going to have to deal with all that corporate nonsense, and we're going to treat you like family every step of the way. Before we begin, be sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell button to be notified every time we post a video like this one. Over on our entertainment side of the camper, we do have a good size awning, so whenever it's a beautiful campground day, you're going to be able to extend that awning, sit under it with your family, and just have a good time and be protected from any sun or rain or anything like that. That awning also has an LED light strip underneath it, so if you want to sit out there at night, it's going to be all lit up for you and really nice to keep the party going. We also have two entrances, as you can see. This first entrance here leads to your bedroom, and the second entrance leads you into your living area and kitchen. So that's really nice that we have a direct access there to your bedroom and to your living room. We also have indoor-outdoor speaker systems here, which is really nice to keep that party going. You can hook up your phone to it or anything and just play your music all night long. We also have outlets here, so if you're wanting to watch the big game, you can set it up out here and plug in any devices or your TV into that. But let's check out something that's also going to keep that party going, the outdoor kitchen. On the rear of your camper, you have a really nice outdoor kitchen. This is really nice. Picture this. It's morning time, you're out here cooking breakfast for the family, and you're all hanging out on the campgrounds. That is just a perfect day to me. We also have outlets in here, so if you have any extra things that you want to plug up back here to have outside, you're going to be able to do that. And we also have a fridge right here if you want to keep any of your drinks or anything like that cool and not get inside of the camper. Let's check out our storage. Over here is your huge pass-through storage area. If you have any large table, chairs, or even campground games, they're all gonna fit in this thing, guys. And don't worry if you're throwing muddy hoses or anything like that in here. This flooring is the same flooring as what's inside of our camper, meaning it's super easy to wipe down if you get anything muddy or gross in here. I'll also mention that we have lights in here as well. So if you're throwing things in here at night or just wanting to see what you're doing and it's dark outside, you have no worries there because you've got lights and it's very well lit. We also have a table that Grand Design has thrown in here as well. So if you're outside and you want to play some games or card games or anything like that, you're going to be able to set that up and even have a cookout if you want and just have room to lay all of your stuff on. We also have access to our laundry chute here, which we will show you inside of our bedroom whenever we get inside of the camper. On the opposite side from me, we do have our really nice convenience bay. So that's where you're gonna put everything in whenever you, okay. On the other side of me, we do have our convenience bay. So once you pull up to the campgrounds, all of your hookups and little nozzles are gonna be over there for you to have access to. Let's check out the inside. Before we get inside, I do want to mention that these doors are super nice. These are your G-Class doors. What that means is that whenever you are inside of your camper, you're going to be able to see on the outside of it and see if anyone's at your door like the pizza man, but he's not going to be able to see inside. So that's really nice for privacy. We also have a leash hitch down here. So if you have a furry friend hanging out with you on the campgrounds, you're going to be able to hook him or her up to that, and it's going to be really nice for them to have that little area. If you don't have a furry friend, you can also use it as a bottle opener. So let's get inside. As soon as you walk in, you are going to have access to your control panel. This is where all of your switches are going to be for your slides and awnings and things like that. Your main light switch is also here, so that's really nice to have control of. Underneath that, we do have our indoor-outdoor speaker system. So that's right here. You're going to be able to control it at your fingertips right there. Underneath that, we also have an outlet, so if you have anything to plug in, as soon as you walk in, you can put it here and plug it in, and it's really nice to have that there. On the other side of the door, we do have really nice access to these hooks, so as soon as you walk in, if you want to hang your backpack, purses, jackets, anything like that, you're going to be able to just throw it here and have it out of your way. Let's check out our bunks. Over in this area is our bunks. These are really nice size double bunks, so that's great. You can fit lots of kids over in this area. I will mention that they also have little curtains, so if they want to have this all to themselves, they can just pull that and have some privacy like it's their own room. We also have a light switch to control those lights, so if they're wanting to fall asleep, they can just pop those lights off and you're good to go. We also have outlets for those kiddos if they're wanting to plug up any of their devices. There's USBs, and also outlets for anything that they might want to plug in. We have lots of storage all over here as well. They have their own closet space with a hanging rod, as well as some cubbies, and we even have drawers over here on these steps, and they are super long, so they're perfect for all those socks and things that you want just stored out of the way. Speaking of sleeping arrangements, we do have a trifold sofa, so not only is this a comfy place to watch TV, you can fold it out and it turns into another sleeping space. Let's check out our theater seats. Over here is our theater seats, and they are directly across from the TV, so not only are they super comfy, they're perfect for movie watching, so that's really nice. We also have our cup holder for any of your beverages, as well as a USB port, so you can plug in any of your devices if you're wanting to charge your phone while you watch the TV. Double whammy, it's perfect. Around us is windows, so that's really nice to get all those campground views and natural lighting in if you want, and if you don't, you can just pull the shades in. In our slide, we also have our huge fridge. So this is a double-sided fridge, so you're gonna have space for everything in here. You can have all of your condiments, your meat, anything you need in a fridge, it's all gonna fit in there. And we also have a huge freezer, guys. Under that, we can't forget about our furry friends. We have a hidden pet dish, which I love, but if you don't have a pet or if you don't wanna use it, you can remove these and just use it as a little drawer. Let's check out our kitchen. Over here is our beautiful and huge kitchen area. You're gonna be able to cook up all those campground meals over here without a worry because you got all the room in the world. We have plenty of storage for all of your plates, cups, bowls, mugs, anything you want, it's all gonna fit up here. We also have our huge farmhouse style sink, and we've got a retractable nozzle here, so it's really easy to do all of your dishes, which is my favorite part because I hate doing dishes anyway. So we also have even more storage here and a huge trash can storage area. What? Oh, okay. You can also store all of your paper towels on this dedicated paper towel roll holder. And we also have a microwave, as well as a classic 3-burner stove with dedicated pots and pan storage. So these little drawers, or big drawers, have all the room in the world for your larger items like your pots and pans. Over beside of that, we do have our TV that's on a swivel mount, so if you wanted to watch it from your trifold sofa, you can, or even your bunks, or you can straighten it up and watch it from your theater seats. We have even more counter space over here, so if you wanted to plug in those coffee makers or things like that, it's gonna fit over here very easily. We have more drawers and cabinets here for just some catch-all things, or if you wanted to store like your pantry items, you can do that over here as well. Let's check out our bathroom. Over here is our huge walk-through bathroom area, so we have lots of space for your countertops. If you want to throw your makeup over there when you're getting ready, you're going to have plenty of space for that. We have even more space up here to store all of those toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, anything you want is going to fit up there. We also have a really nice towel rack, so you can hang your towels if they're drying, or even if you want to hang a hand towel there, it's perfect for that. We have an outlet over here as well, so that you can plug up your hair dryer, curling tools, anything you want there. We have a really nice storage area for your toilet paper or even paper towels for the kitchen if you want to do that. And we have even more storage down here in this cabinet where you can even fit a trash can. Let's check out our toilet and shower. Down here is our foot flush toilet, and up above that we have even more storage space for all of those towels and wash rags and things like that. But across from that is a hook, so you can hook your robe or your towels on there to dry, so that's really nice coming out of the shower. In your shower, you have plenty of head height. I'm 5'7", and we even have a huge skylight here. So if you're extra tall, don't worry about not fitting in here because you will. We also have a removable shower head, so that's really nice. If you have a dirty dog or even dirty kids, you can hose them down with that. Also, we have a squeegee sliding door, so that means all the water is going to stay inside of your tub, which is where we want it, and not get outside into your camper. Let's check out our bedroom. Over in our bedroom, we do have a really nice queen size bed, and we also have little storage nooks here, so you're able to put your water cups, your CPAP machine, or even electronic devices to charge, because we also have outlets and USB plugs over here as well. So you don't have to worry about your phone dying at night or anything like that. We also have storage all around us. We have our closet space over here to the right of me, where you can hang your clothes on the bar, or we have storage over here where you can put your folded clothes. So that's really nice to have those options. We even have storage under the bed too, if you're looking for that extra storage. This is our under the bed storage area, so if you have extra things, you're gonna be able to just throw them in here, and there's lots of room for that. Beside of that is our laundry chute that we talked about in the beginning. This is really nice because you can throw all that dirty laundry in there and access it from the outside of your camper to make laundry really easy, which we all need in our lives. Here also is that entryway, so you can access the outside of your camper or go straight to the campgrounds from your bedroom, which is super nice. So if you're interested in this Transcend or any other Transcend from the Grand Design line, be sure to give us a call, give us a text, or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.